Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your password in Mac. So for doing this you just need to go to the system preferences. If you don't see here, just go to Launchpad and just open it from a Launchpad from here. So after you just need to choose users and groups here. Here you need to choose account you want to change password. So here you will find near your account you will find change password. So you just need to unlock here. So just write your password and just tap on change password. So just write here old password, new password. So confirm it, and also you can just write some password to help you to if you forget your password, what password you entered. So it will be like maybe like some help for you. So after, just tap on change password and it will successfully change your password. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.